Get up. She's gonna go right back in. Marta! Holy shit. God damn it. No, 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 no! Shit! God, I hate you so much. Fuck you. She's back as soon as I sit down. I'm gonna fucking throw a fit. It's only when I just get out of there. Come on. Come on. Come on. You can do it. No. Holy shit. Oh my god, this cat. I swear to God. She only wants to be in there when I don't want her in there. Please. Please. She's gone. Watch this stupid cat, I swear to God. Oh my god. Like, she knows I'm watching, so she just fucking turns around, goes back in. She sees me looking at her, and then she goes right back fucking in. I'm so mad. God damn. Look at her. Yeah, hey. What's up, you little shit? You gonna run for the door as soon as I get up? God damn it! Haunting me now. She's coming out far, making me think. Making me think that it's safe. I swear to God, I'm gonna close that fucking door. I'm gonna close that fucking... No. No, 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 no! Marta! Why do you do this to me? Look at all the shit I have to put back. And you won't let me. Yeah, you. Get out of there. Get out. Please. Come on. Oh, okay, bye. Back behind the bathtub. Alright. Oh, fuck! God damn it! God! That's it. That's right. I got you. I got you. That's right, fucker. That's right, fucker. Yeah. That's right, fucker. I got you out of there. How you like me now?